You won't believe the price for these. Holy crap. These are $180 and they are going for what? And then 30% off. Is that worth getting? Haven't been to this Nike outlet in forever. I don't think I've been at this outlet this entire year. Let's go check out Camarillo. All right, they used to have a heat wall. They still do. They're still trying not to give deals on the heat wall. Okay. All right, they're being stingy with that heat wall. We'll check it out in a few, but see what's going on the back wall with that 30% off. Starting with the size 8, I'm so curious to see what these are going for. 120. Okay, 120. You do get that extra 30 off. These are the AJKOs. The Jordan 1. Oh, they Jordan 1? Yeah, they are Jordan 1s, right? $120 for those. Just Forces right next door, going for 90. I always think these are refurbs. These are down to $100. These are size 9, $100, so $70 after discount. So comfortable. I can't wait to get one of these. Jordan 11 low IEs going for 140. 150 for this colorway. Moving up to the 9 Air Max 97s down to 140. The mock undercovers going for 50. Apparently these are not comfy at all. Ballinonabudget, he ended up returning his. They're cheap though, 35 after the discount. 70 for the Dunk Highs right here, size 9. Got those in 9.5 as well. And then 160, my bad, 160 for the Jordan 13s. That's not bad, especially with that 30 off. Celtics fan colorway of the Blazers right here, $40. 40 freaking dollars and 30 off on top. Holy cow. That's under $30. Size 10 Jordan 6 golf right here, $220. I did have to take a quick peek back here to see if I'm missing out on anything in the aisles. Got these in a few sizes. Are these just coming out the aisles? See another one of these as well, 120. Oh wait, a ton of them. Holy cow. Got some Jason Kidd's Air Flight 95s right here going for 130. 2017s right here, 110. They threw these in the men's right here, which is hilarious because it's a women's, which is a 10.5 men's. Let's go for 90. Dang, these are just, oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this, holy crap, $55? Am I going back to just buying stuff because it's cheap as hell? 55, and you get that 30 off. Size 9. My kiddo is not gonna like this colorway, but I'm grabbing it. It's just too cheap. Comes out to $38. Dang it, I was hoping it's the wrong size. Of course, I gotta see if they got my size now. This is a women's size 9, so 7.5 in men's. Oh, dude, got these are going for 80 though. What the hell? Someone mispriced these, I think. Do I know any 7.5 or size 9 women? I don't know if I do. I might have to throw this back. God dang it. Size 9 women's. Yeah, I'm gonna throw that back since I don't know anybody that wears a size 9. This one, I don't know why it's marked $80. That's still a hell of a deal, but dang it. Of course, I'm checking all the other Invincible Run Flyknits now. All right, that's gonna get me to run over to the women's section now because those are women's shoe. And then we see more and more colorways. These are going for 80, which is not bad. 11.5 of these, 125. And then 30% off. Is that worth getting? Dang it. Dang it. Still looking for these though. Trying on these. These are 9.5, but every once in a while things run. Oh, these run kind of crazy, but no, 9.5 definitely doesn't fit. I usually wear 10 or 10.5. Did find these. These are size 11.5 women's. These are go for 125. I think that brings it down to like 80, $85 or something. I'm kind of wondering if I want these. I like the colorway. It is a bread, so I kind of like it. It has metal tips. I don't know, it has the metal aglets right there. Okay, okay. The material way different, but once this creases, it's over. Once satin creases, it's over. But I do like the colorway. Iconic colorway. Under $100, dude. So I might have to get it, dude. I might have to get them. Under $100, man. And they do have a bunch of sizes, like Not like tons, but they got several sizes. This video won't come out for a while, to be honest. I'll post it on my YouTube shorts. That's interesting. They got them right here. I'm gonna see if I should steal one of these box tops. So I came here to do some research. I did talk to one of the workers. The extended sizes, back wall, the regular ones, regular sizes, I think up to size 11, not on the back wall. But look, so this one, it does not have a box top. I got this off the back wall, but these should be extended size 11 and a half. They should be extended size. I'm gonna take one of these box tops. According to the worker, everything 11 and a half should be extended sized. So yeah, so I get one with the box top. Oh hell yeah, under 100 bucks. Hell yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up. All right, that got me down a huge rabbit hole. That's what happens whenever I come to the outlets. Do got some Air Forces right here. These are down to 80 before the discount. Infinity Run 4s, these are 160, holy cow. Still in the 11, I've never seen these. Look at this. This is canvas right here. The green outsoles, that's definitely interesting. But yeah, going for retail. $80 for these right here, the utilities. $70 for dunk mids. Holy cow, we're starting to see prices fall. Rachi's going for 55. Lavelios go for 120. 100 for these. What's that? Jade colorway right here. Size 12. This is Frank size right here. These normally start at like close to 200. Down to 50, 30 off, so $35. Yeah, I got one of these going for 160. Trainers right here down to 100. GT cuts. 2s right here, regular price. 13s, more forces going for 90. GT jumps right here, 180. Interesting colorway. There we go. This is what I'm talking about right here. Do got the chombre colorway of the Jordan 7s, 160. So discounted. Then you get another 30 off. Oh hell yeah. Jumbo dunks right here, 125. Got some of the 6 rings, $90. Size 14. Look at this. Cortezes. These do look hella big. These are huge boats. 55 bucks. $55, and then you get a discount on top. Alley-oops down to 40. We're getting back to the good old days. With these 6 rings going for $95. Size 15. Got some Jordan airships right here. I didn't know that airships were under the Jordan brand. Holy crap. I thought they were under Nike. 105 for those. AJKOs 120 still. Gore-Tex right here, size 18 for 2 bills. And then these look extra huge as well, 17s, 110. They got aisles for days over here, and their aisles are doubled up. They got 2 aisles, or 2 columns, whatever. But yeah, their aisles just go on forever. So let's take a look at the men's, and we'll move on to the women's. Tons and tons of the generic Jordans. Prices, we see them going down and down. Some of y'all been into the center courts, down to 60. Jordan 1 low golf right here. Jordan 12 low right here. Cherry colorway with the extra dirty top on this one. Why is this one so much dirtier than that one? What the hell? Air Max 86. Golf right here. 7 infrared whites. Got some 2 lows. Second pair of 2s. This one actually has a price tag on it. $130 for the 2s. 1 low OG. We've seen these as low as $60. People get all mad like, dude, this does not damage the shoe. You guys are, some of y'all are just silly. But yeah, do got Jordan 1 lows. SE, man, these are exquisite. Leather is just ridiculous. Jordan 1 low OG. I think that leather is better than this one. I think that leather is softer than the 1 low OGs right here. And there's another display down to 110. We've seen them cheaper at some of the retail shops, Chic as well as Shoe Palace, but they're going to be limited on sizing. They got plenty up to size 15 here. Big feet gang, man, I know it's hard for you guys. I know, man. Do got the ones right here, the 1 OGs, and then do have another aisle filled with these generic Jordans right here. The Take 1, technically those aren't generics, but pretty much they are. They got more and more of the generics. The Air Max R2s, the B Loyals right here. Immortality 2s, we're gonna run through these super quick, 50 bucks cheap. We're gonna go through these super quick because every outlet has these Zoom Freak 5s as well. Also got Witness 7s right here. More of the Immortalities on this side. Hyperdunk 2017 lows going down and down in price. Got the LeBron 21s. These are keep falling in price. Got multiple colorways. The next gens right here. I'm pretty sure these are going to continue to fall as well. Airspan 2s. I've been telling y'all these are going to keep dropping. That's what I'm talking about right there. And got so many forces. Mids, got highs. Got this one with the weird Nike pattern right here. Nike symbol. Even got these collabs right here. The Billie Eilish Bad Boys right here. This does have that exquisite leather. Prices falling, yo. Then some highs. Blazer jumbos. Got that extra huge jumbo sign. I got a couple of the regular OG vintage ones. Then across the way, got some more forces. Colorful one right here. Got some dunks. Premiums go for still too much. Got some highs, as well as the adjust forces. These are going down and down. And then these will go down as well. This is an ambush collab too, I forgot. Yeah, this one and all of them, they're all ambush collabs. I forgot about that. All right, I got another spot I need to hit up, to be honest. I came to Camarillo for something else. I didn't even come primarily for the Nike outlet, but of course I'm gonna come here and show y'all. But yeah, got a couple of Air Max Plus right there, Air Max 2017s. We've been seeing these pretty much at every outlet. Couple of trainers right here, got some lows, got some Air Flight mids, Air Flight light mids, and then got more dunks, man. All right, I guess I should check out this quote-unquote heat wall. Got some Jordans on the back wall, but also got some here. I don't think these are, like, people aren't trying to grab these at full price, are they? Waffle dunks right here. Got the green glow 3s, powder blue 9s. I'm still convinced that leather's just hella mediocre. Do have a Nike SB up here. This is pretty interesting. These ain't bad. These ain't bad. I don't know which one these are. This isn't the one that you can tear off the top, is it? I don't know if I know. I don't know if I know. Yeah, I'm good on these. I am good on these. I've been buying too much lately. But do got a size 9 right here for y'all. Then a few more dunks right here. Okay. All right, we're back in the women's. I'm checking the back wall. And then, yeah, they do have these 11.5. Oh, these are all 11.5 on the back wall, it looks like. I think the size 12s are supposed to be back here, too. Yep. Size 11s for these, 130. Vaporfly Next Percent 3s right here. Going for $260. That's not bad. Especially since these ain't been out that long. You get an extra 30 off. They got a 10.5. They got an 11 right here. Oh, I thought they marked it wrong. Ooh, I was like, damn, dude, do I need to grab that? Nope. And then these, yeah, $80 for those. Dang it. I was hoping, you know, maybe I should, no. I was like, maybe I should get a price check, but my kiddo, he wears a 9. I thought he wore like a 9.5. He wears a 9. So this would work, but yeah, 140, that's a little bit much. Check out some regular sizes for the women. These are 8.5 women's. What's that price? 135, one something? But yeah, these are some canvas Air Force One highs right here. Extra pink. Oh, and it has name on it. Is that a last name? Bemo? And that is from Anthony. Okay. More Jordans in the women's. 140 for those Jordan 5 lows. Got forces. Down to 85. Got some of the Air Force One wilds. And these are pretty freaking dope because the material is just way different. Look at that midsole. Midsole has a fabric around it. Like, I kind of like those. I really like those. 145 for those. Air Max Theas right here, 120. Women's Jordans. Oh, okay, these are the black cement with the gold on it. Go for 160. Got on some Kobe's right here. I think those are Kobe ADs. Not like the highest quality, but you know, I got it for hella cheap at the clearance store. Then we're some Lakers shorts, Mitchell and S. I got them for $20. And just a t-shirt. Let's see what's going on the aisles. Do got the Hyper Royals. Only up to size 9 right here. Do got the Aubameyang 12s. They only got those up to 7.5, 8 or something like that. As well as these. These are available to size 10. Also got some 6s. These are Gore-Tex, as well as the 2s. Some 1s right here. 4 different OG highs. This one's across the way, but got these. These are up to size 10.5 women's. And then do got these up to, I think, a size 11. I saw a size 12 earlier. So all the regular women's sizes, they have them right here for $130, and then the extended size for men, they're cheaper, which is kind of crazy. And I took one of these box tops because she said, hey, all the 11.5 should be on the back wall. So I just grabbed one of these box tops so I can grab it. I did take the one with a sales tag on it so I can remember how much I paid. But yeah, they even have size 12 right here with a box top. And then still in the women's, do got plenty of blazers, all kinds of blazers. And then plenty of 2017s, of course, as well as Air Max 270s, got so many. And of course, plenty of Air Forces right here, got all kinds of Air Forces. And then mostly generics. I usually check out some of the apparel. I don't have time for it, so I'm gonna go pay for this. And get the hell out of here, man. I came here specifically to stop by a furniture store, so yeah, if y'all want to check that out, stick around. Came out to $87 plus tax, like 93 or something. Holy cow, that's what's up. That's what's up, man. Then came here for the Pottery Barn outlet, to be honest. Need some furniture. They got 30 to 50 to 70% off. That's off of their sales price, I believe. Ooh, beds, 70% off, holy crap. Yeah, so stuff's already on sale, and then 70% off on top. Holy cow. Holy cow. All sales are final though. I'm digging this bed right here. It is white though. So yeah, from 1900. The hell is that, like 600 bucks then? $600? That's not bad. Bed is sturdy as hell too. All right, that one's a king size bed. This is a Cali king bed. I just need a queen, dude. I just need a queen size bed. I guess I don't need a full bed. I could just get a frame and then just get one of these. I could just get a headboard, right? Do have couches. Goes from pretty expensive, $3,400. It is 50% or 40% off, so gets a little more reasonable. Not seen much that I really need though, or nothing that I really like, to be honest. 60% off this desk right here. Their desks are hella sturdy. $1,500, you do get 60% off. Selection is amazing, and stuff's not necessarily cheap, but like I said, after the sales, I think leather chairs are 50% off, so that's about $1,000. Little higher than I want, but dang, they got a lot of stuff. Didn't find what I was looking for, unfortunately though. Dang it. They do have the lids. They also have, like, I think it's technically not a locker room by lids, but it pretty much is. They got those, so that might make it worth it because they got 40% off clearance right now. God dang it, I gotta go though. I gotta go, don't have time. They got a Cracker Barrel right there too. I freaking love Cracker Barrel. That food is just so good if you're into just stuff that's gonna make you hella full, but it's so good though. I've been to Nike Outlet Camarillo in forever, so you know I had to check it out. And you know I got happy when I saw 30% off the back wall. And we've been seeing 30% off at most spots, but when you find deals like this, Invincible Run Flyknits for $54, $54.97, what's that, like 38 bucks after the discount? I think this is mismarked. And even in the women's, look at this. Do got these, and then $125, you do get that extra 30 off. So that's under $100, under $100 for these. They got him in 11.5 and 12 on the back wall. And all kinds of Jordans for the women. These, they only have to size 9. They got these up to size 10 in the women. Not bad, not bad. Also got these up to a size 10. So of course I had to grab something. You know we're gonna cover this on the Cool Kids YouTube channel. Make sure you guys stay tuned. See ya.